Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to test our flow to see if at least this no path works. I also noticed that I didn't connect these two, right? So that's needed. So now let's start the flow from the beginning, see if it works. Oh, sorry. So we choose lunch. I've been choosing lunch all this while because we have more data for lunch. So if I say I want a salad, okay, so the name to place the order under, I could say Michael. Okay, so it's asking us for our last name like the last time, so we need to put in that rule that we used in the first tutorial. So let's say Jordan again. So it's saying, oh, awesome, here's your current order, you have this to 2 decimal places. Oh, this is an issue. This maintains the proper did not ask it for this. Do you need anything else? No. So let's just click no. Oh, it says we ran into a problem. Interesting. Okay. So to combat the error that we had, right, we will just, so the issue was that we did not constrain the AI or the LLM behind the Voiceflow workflow to only give a response that is, the price, right? It gave an explanation for why it did the price that way, and that, led to an issue down the line basically. So we can just simply come to this set step here where we use the prompts to set the price, right, to 2 decimal places. Then in the system there was nothing there before, but I added this. Now in the user I've updated it to be this, so this should help us basically combat that issue. Now let's run the flow from the beginning. So we select lunch again. Let's say we choose a salad. So what name should I use for the order? Let's use my name, right? Oh, still asking for the last name. I forgot to change this. So let's say Dada. So it's saying, awesome, your current order is this, total is this. So it works fine now. Do you need anything else? If I click no, good. So you can see the API tool succeeded this time. Your order has been sent and is being prepared. Please wait for a few minutes, and the whole flow ends. So if I go to my orders now, I should be able to see the order I made. Sorry. Yep. So, oh, for some reason the name is not showing up, but this works, right? So let's see, what's the problem? What is the problem? I think it should be in this step here. Okay, username. Okay, that was there, right? And we, okay, Okay, and we captured it here, so I don't know why it's failed. Okay, no problem. So let's deal with this name issue here again. Right, so we need to set some rules. So we can just say if the customer gives you one name, do not reprompt. Use the name given as is, right? So that should resolve that issue, right? I don't see any reason why the username shouldn't be written to the Google Sheet. So let's try it again. Let's go for lunch. So I'm leaving all these errors in the video so that we can all see how to, troubleshoot a bit. So we can say, let's say first for once, let's say chicken, right? Okay, so under which name? So let's say Clark Kent. So you've ordered this, great. Would you like to order anything else? If I click no. Okay, so your order is on its way. It seems to have written to the Google Sheet, so let's go there. Yet again, it's still not writing. Okay, so let's see how to resolve this. Okay, I'm back. I did some poking around and discovered something, right? So let me show you in the orders Google Sheet. If I come here to my name, right, and I click here, can you see the space between the name and the cursor? It means that there's an extra character, and that was why it wasn't writing to the Google Sheet. So when I use the backspace, right, so that should resolve the problem. Now let's run the flow once more just to be sure. Where's my start button? Okay, so hit start. So we'll go lunch. Let's go salad again. Let's say John. What else can I get for you? Nothing. Okay, so it has been sent. So now let's go to the order sheet again. And so you see John. So that's why we all need to be careful when we are setting things up. Alright then, so we have been able to configure the no path properly. Now we need to configure the yes path. I think we can do that in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the debugging. Right, I'll see you in the next video.